stop scrolling. If you're tired of buffering, annoying ads, and clunky streaming apps, then listen up. Stremio is the game changer you need on your Fire Stick in 2025. Imagine all your favorite movies, shows, and live TV in one app. No more switching between 10 different apps. In this video, I'll show you how to install Stremio on Fire Stick in just 3 minutes. It's super easy, and by the end, you'll be streaming like a pro. Let's go! Before we install Stremio, we need to allow apps from unknown sources. Here's how. Go to Settings on your Fire Stick. Scroll to My Fire TV and select it. Click on Developer Options. Turn on Apps from Unknown Sources and ADB Debugging. If a warning pops up, hit Turn On. We got this. Boom. That's step 1 done. Now, let's get the Downloader app. Since Stremio isn't available on the Amazon App Store, we'll sideload it using Downloader. Follow these steps. Go to the Fire Stick home screen and click Find. Select Search and type Downloader. Click the Downloader app, then hit Download or Get. Once installed, open Downloader. Awesome! Now we're ready to download Stremio. Now we'll install Stremio's latest APK. Open Downloader and in the URL bar, type code 259421. Click Go and wait for the APK to download. Once downloaded, select Install. Click Done and delete the APK file to save space. And just like that, Stremio is now installed on your Fire Stick. Now let's get Stremio up and running. Open Stremio from your App section. Sign in with your Stremio account, or create one if you're new. Install add-ons to unlock free movies, TV shows, and live TV. Select a movie or show and start streaming in HD, no lag. That's it. Stremio is now fully set up on your Fire Stick. And there you have it, Stremio on Fire Stick in 2025. If you found this guide helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more Fire Stick tricks, and let me know in the comments if you need help. Also, check out my other videos for more streaming hacks. Thanks for watching and happy streaming!